Hey guys, today we're talking Sony A7 III settings, specifically that function button. And what that does basically is brings up a custom menu for you where you can program all your favorite settings quickly and easily. So today I'm going to show you how to program that function button as well as which settings you should consider. Let's go! Well, today we're talking about our A7 III's function button, which is right here. So let's first start by showing you where to set it up. You'll find it in your menu on the second tab, page 8 of 9. Scroll down to Function Menu Set and hit the Enter button. You'll then see 2 pages, 12 options total for you to choose your functions. Click the Enter button on each option to change your available settings. When you found the option you want, hit the Enter button to confirm. It's that simple. Now I'll show you the settings that I've kind of stuck with, the ones that I find myself using more often than not. First we've got our drive mode, and of course this is to choose just your shooting speed, a self timer, or a bracketing function. Next I've got the focus mode, of course, which allows you to choose your autofocus mode, including switching over to manual focus. Next is focus area, which is where your camera is going to concentrate focus. Next we've got steady shot on and off, which is great for quick access when you're using a tripod. This next one, creative style, is basically for shooting JPEGs, which I don't do very often, but if you shoot a lot of JPEGs, it might be worth looking at. We've got our metering mode selection, which is basically how your camera determines the settings to use depending on the light available. Next we've got our convenient APS-C or crop shooting mode, and this is a great option if you really need that extra reach. We've got prioritized recording media, which is going to allow you to choose which memory card you want to record to. You can see here that a few of the options are grayed out. This is because my camera is actually in movie mode, and those specific settings don't apply. Our next quick setting is silent shooting, and I love this feature. It's great when you're in a room full of people or around animals that are skittish, and there's an example of not being able to use it while in movie mode. We've got our white balance option. This is a definite must. So next we've got our touch operation, which is basically turning the touch screen on and off, and a lot of the times when I'm moving around doing a shoot, I find my nose or my face can hit that and become quite annoying, so it's really nice to be able to quickly turn it off. Finally, we have subject detection, and this is only available with the newest firmware. Basically, this is going to allow you to choose between human and animal subject detection for eye autofocus. And it might be kind of weird if you do forget, the tracking you might find won't be as accurate, so make sure you've got it in there for ease of use. And that's pretty much it. These are for the most part the settings that I like to have right at my fingertips so I can easily, quickly change them when I need to. Because Sony's menu system is so extensive, it's just an absolute necessity to set this up depending on what you're doing, and you can easily change them if you need to, as you've seen. Unfortunately, not every single function is available, so keep an eye out for later firmware updates that might allow us to put more things in. And you might want to think about using your other custom buttons to get to your most important settings the quickest. So now you know how to program your function button, as well as hopefully got some tips and ideas about what settings might work best for your setup. I hope you liked this video, guys, and hope you got something out of it. If you did, consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and drop your questions and comments down below. Like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.